Good day children. Today in this video we will see the lesson Wrestling with Pogats. Mahavir Singh Pogat was a young wrestler from Balali, a small village in Haryana. He had dreamed of taking part in international competitions, even the Olympics. But his dream had not come true and he settled down to a quiet government job in his village. However, he had hopes for the son that would be born to him. They would fulfill his dream. So, this is the lesson about the famous Pogat sisters who made India proud. On a cold winter day in 1988, a daughter was born to Mahavir. As he looked at the little girl in his arms, he was not disappointed. So Mahavir thought that a boy would be born to him. But what happened? A daughter was born to Mahavir. As he looked at the little girl in his arms, he was not disappointed. He declared with love that she would one day make the family proud. So what happened? He didn't listen to the villagers who opposed Mahavir Singh Pogat for training his daughter for wrestling. He began training his daughter Geeta and Babita in 1998. Their training schedule was difficult and severe, which was very rigorous. He woke them up at 5 in the morning and set them to running around the fields. Geeta was 10 years old and Babita was just 8. He also built an akhada where wrestling matches happen near their home for practice. His determination to include women in the sport influenced his former student Mahavir Singh Pogat. Everyone in his village was strongly opposed to having women in wrestling, but Mahavir had other ideas. If a woman can be a prime minister of a country, why can't she be a wrestler? So, everyone in the village, in the Balali village in Haryana, they opposed for women wrestling. But Mahavir Singh, he told that if a woman can be the prime minister of a country, why can't she be a wrestler? The little girl was Geeta Pogat, India's first female wrestler to qualify of the Olympics. Today, Geeta has 3 sisters and a brother. Her parents have also adopted Mahavir's brother's 2 girls. All 6 sisters, Geeta, Babita, Ritu, Sangeeta, Vinesh and Priyanka, have grown up be international wrestlers. Wrestling was a male-dominated sport in India. Chandi Ram, another wrestler from Haryana, was the first Palwan in the country to encourage the trained women in the sports. He encouraged to train the women in the sports called wrestling. He began by training his own daughters, and Chandi Ram is who taught wrestling to Mahavir Singh Pogat. So this is women wrestling. So as a coach, Mahavir was strict and demanding, like expecting a lot of work and effort from his daughters. While other children our age would sleep cozily in their beds, we would be up before sunrise, says Geeta. Sleeping for even 10 minutes more was a luxury, which was a pleasure for them. Initially, the girls would look for any opportunity to skip training, but they grew to love the life of a wrestler. The exhaustion state of being very tired after a hard day's training was satisfying. It was a great adventure, says Babita. So in initial stages, the girls, they would not like to do this. They would look for any opportunity to skip training. But they grew to love the life of a wrestler. This exhaustion, they were very tired after a hard day's training, which was very satisfying. It was a great adventure, says Babita. And what made it special was that we were the only girls in the village who were doing this. So, these two girls were the only girls in the village to do this, to do whistling. But the villagers thought the family had gone mad. So what happened? The villagers started thinking that Mahavir Singh and his family got mad. Their attitude towards the Pogats became worse when Mahavir started training the girls along with the boys. So, what happened? Mahavir Singh started training the girls with the boys. People were furious. They would say, "He's destroying the village. He has no shame," says Mahavir. So, the villagers would say, Mahavir like, "He's destroying the village. He has no shame. He's training the girls with the boys." So these things the villagers would say. The villagers thought the girls would become like boys, that their face would get messed up and no one would marry them. They made their disapproval clear to the Pogats. It was a stressful period for the family, but they would not stop it. What happened? The villagers even thought that the girls would become like boys, that their face would get messed up and no one would even marry Mahavir Singh's daughter. They made their disapproval clear to the Pogats. They didn't like them. It was a stressful period for the family. They were very stressed and depressed, but they would not stop this. They didn't stop this. They were just continuing what they were doing. My master, Chandiram, taught me to face difficulties like we face our opponents on the field, says Mahavir. Turning point came in 2010 when Geeta won India's first Commonwealth gold in women's wrestling. The entire village was ecstatic, that is, very happy and excited. But before, what did the villagers say? That Mahavir Singh and his family has no shame. They opposed them. They even said that they are destroying the village. But now they felt very happy and excited because Geeta won India's first Commonwealth gold in women wrestling. They celebrated for 10 days straight. Yes, the Pogat family were heroes. They were no longer a matter of shame for the village. So they did it. They celebrated them for 10 long days. They celebrated the girl for 10 long days. The Pogat family became heroes. And they were no longer considered as the shame for the village. Geeta went on to have an incredible career, which is extremely good, by winning a bronze medal at the 2012 World Championship. Yet another first for an Indian woman, and then qualifying for the 2012 London Olympics. So, Geeta was the first Indian woman to be qualified for wrestling in 2012 London Olympics. Her sisters followed in her footsteps and were not far behind. Babita won a silver medal at the 2010 Commonwealth Games and a gold medal in the 2014 Games, in which Vinesh too won a gold medal. Ritu became a national champion and Sangeeta won many international medals in junior level tournaments. The success of the Pogat sisters encouraged many more women to take up wrestling, including Sakshi Malik, who won a bronze medal at the 2016 Rio Olympics. Many villagers from Balali started lining up outside the Pogat's house, asking Mahavir and the girls to help their daughters become wrestlers. So what happened before? They were saying that Mahavir Singh brought a shame to the village. But now what happened? Many villagers from Balali started lining up outside whose house? Pogat's house, asking Mahavir and the girls to help their daughters become wrestlers. Balali today is a very different place. You can see many girls putting on their track pants and t-shirts and heading to Mahavir's gym. Many of them even have the same hairstyle as the Phogat sisters. So, she is Sakshi Malik, who won bronze medal in Rio Olympics 2016. Now, Mahavir is a proud father. He says that my girls have changed not only our village but also the entire state of Haryana. He says that his girls have not only changed their village Balali but also the entire state of Haryana. Thank you, children.